The Rayovac brand is lasting. Stay tuned to find out how long the Rayovac brand is lasting, because it starts right now. If this is your first time here and you want to learn more about the product reviews I do, be sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe and bell icon, because both of those will help you to stay up to date on everything that's happening with my channel, because there's going to be a lot of big changes that's going to come tomorrow that I'm going to be explaining to you guys. And also, if you haven't already done so, be sure to go over and check out TubeBuddy.com, because these guys are definitely into it and they're definitely there to help you guys to grow your channel. I will leave the link to TubeBuddy down below in the description, so you'll be able to find your way to those guys. So, as I mentioned, last Sunday I started with the cheap version of Rayovacs, and this is what the Rayovac looks like. That's the cheap version with the blue, white. You know, this is something you could go into a dollar store, find Walmart, Kmart, Sears. Any of your local retailers will have these particular batteries. To be honest, I was ready for these batteries to die within 3 days, tops, you know, maybe 4 days at the most, with how much gaming I do with my S1 controller. But to be surprisingly honest, these have lasted a week since the last time I put them in. I'm currently still using my Xbox controller now because I'm actually watching something on the TV on the side of me, which is pretty cool because as you can tell, I don't have the TV sitting behind me. The pops are sitting behind me still. And everything. Granted, you can't see them as good as you used to, but there's going to be something sitting there. I may hang up the 2 guitars that's sitting there, and then this wall is going to be. But in the future, a lot of it's going to change because my setup is going to change from where I'm sitting and everything. So definitely keep your eyes out for that. This battery, I'm actually kind of shocked how long it's lasted. I mean, it's your average 1.5 volt AA battery, and I'm not too sure what the capacity on these batteries are, but they're definitely lasting with 2 to 5 hours of gaming, and as well as 2 to 12 hours with the consistent use of Netflix, YouTube videos. So yeah, so far these batteries are standing strong, and I will keep them in and wait until they absolutely die. And then once they die, I would definitely do the quick video, the short video of that day they die, so, and then give you my personal opinion on the product review. So instead of waiting till next Sunday to do the product review, I would definitely keep you in the loop on the life of these batteries and let you know what I think about the product. You know, a lot of people don't know too much about the Rayovac batteries. I'm gonna give you a little short history on it. Before, back in the good old days, they weren't that top of the brand. They weren't Energizers. They weren't, you know, the Duracell. They weren't, you know, they weren't the best of the batteries on the market because how long they last, how cheap they are made, and everything. But believe it or not, working with the company I'm currently working for, I've been there for long enough to kind of understand how batteries work and what they do. Believe it or not, Rayovacs are actually made in the United States. So these are definitely with this patent, well, you know, with the stamp on it, made in the United States. That's pretty cool. But these batteries have definitely grown over the time for how bad the product started out. This product is particularly still pretty good. For those of you that don't know, Energizer actually bought out Rayovac, so these batteries are definitely got a good name brand on it. It's just people are not used to the Rayovac name, and if they are, they don't like the way these are made. So definitely just keep your eyes out if you come across them. Pick them up, pick up a big pack, because like I said, the batteries are lasting within a week or so. So these are definitely good. I'm gonna probably give it maybe 2 more days, maybe a day, if not maybe less than that. Maybe they'll die tonight after I get through doing the video, and then I have tomorrow, along with my channel news update, to give you the update on the product, on the batteries or something. But yeah, these batteries are just a constant thing, you know. I've got my vibration on my controller super high so that it can eat the batteries. I got my headset plugged in so they can do more damage to it. So definitely just keep in mind what these batteries can do for you, especially if you use TV remotes that require Xbox One controllers. So these are but the difference between the Xbox One controller and a regular TV remote, the TV remote won't use up a lot of this because they don't drain a lot of batteries, but the Xbox One controllers will, or the regular Xbox 360 controllers definitely will. You may think like, oh, what about the playing charge kit? Yeah, that's a good thing too, but you know, I'm just more into the AA batteries because, you know, you can buy more AA batteries or rechargeable batteries at a cheaper price and they'll work for you. So definitely just keep this in mind, and if you get the plain charge kit, that's cool because my phone just went off. Let me take and mute this sucker right quick. Where are we at? Let me mute this real quick. There we go. Alright, so yeah, it's just definitely give Rayovac a chance. This particular brand is really good for the Xbox One controller so far, and if they die tonight, then they've lasted a week with constant play and everything. If they die tomorrow, that's even better. Then when they do die, I'll make sure I'll show you what batteries I'm going to use next. I'm not too sure which battery I'm going to use next. If you Duracell, I got Batteries Plus Bulbs brand, the worker batteries. I got the Rayovac Ultra Pros, so I'm not too sure which brand I'm going to use. I still got to get my hands on the Energizer batteries. I also have another set of batteries. It's called Duracell Pro Cell. Those are medical grade batteries, so it's kind of hard to put them in a category with these particular batteries. So it's just the chemistry in those are a little bit different. I may just do them just in the battery test because it's your standard when you're regular alkaline batteries, but it's not something you can walk into a store and buy. You literally have to go on like certain places and get them online, or go into stores like Batteries Plus Bulbs, especially guys, and get those batteries through those guys instead of like online and stuff. Then on top of that, me personally, I want to know what batteries y'all are currently using in your Xbox One controllers or your Xbox 360 controllers. Drop down in the comment below and tell me what batteries you're using. Maybe I can get a hold of these batteries that you guys are using and do something with them. And then also remember to give me your questions, because tomorrow I will be answering your questions when I do my weekly channel update. And as well, if you want to get your channel shout out, make sure you continue to follow me. And also follow me on Twitter. I would definitely leave that link down below. And as well, I'll be leaving certain products that I'm using, like my setup, like my capture card and stuff like that. So you give them a little checkout as well down below in the description. My capture card, my mic, the little USB plug-in that I use for my mics and everything. I'll put all that down below in the description below so that you guys can find your way to the Amazon site and see if you want to get that. But here soon, I will be upgrading my PC. I won't be operating normally on this. I will be updating on my particular PC I got sitting right here, which I did get it. And I can't wait to get this sucker. And I cannot wait to start using my Elgato capture card, because I've been waiting to use my Elgato on a better system. And it's sitting right here on the desk with me. That's one of the main reasons why I had to switch around the computer, because of the Elgato, because the Xbox sits on one side of the room. And, you know, anyways, sub, like, comment, everything you can do to help me grow the channel, and also share with your friends and everything about this video. I will definitely be talking to you guys later. I hope you enjoyed this video. Peace.